Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the audio files you want to burn. Use a blank CDR rated 700 MB or 80 minutes for standard audio burning. Open Windows Media Player on your computer and switch to the library view so you can see songs. Create a new playlist and drag the songs into it in the order you want them to play. Confirm songs are not protected by DRM before you plan to burn them. Have your blank disk ready and a functioning CD drive prepared for the burn process. Click the Burn tab in Windows Media Player to open burn settings. Insert your blank CDR into the drive and wait until the disk is recognized. Choose Audio CD to ensure playback compatibility with most players or Data CD for file storage. Select the appropriate burn speed. Lower speeds reduce risk of errors and improve compatibility. Enable the option to finalize the disk so other players can read it. Verify the playlist fits the disk capacity before starting the burn to avoid incomplete copies. Press Start Burn and allow Windows Media Player to write tracks to the disk. Monitor the progress bar until the software reports that the burn completed successfully. Do not eject or use the drive until the burn and verify processes complete to avoid disk corruption. After completion, allow the disk to finalize automatically so most players can read it. Test the finished CD in a second player to ensure compatibility and audio quality. Store completed disks in cases to prevent scratches and label them with a permanent marker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.